Good morning, students. So let's continue with our chapter, that is presentation of data. In yesterday's class, we had seen the meaning of presentation of data, the types of presentation of data, that is textual and tabular, and the format of the table. In today's class, we'll be studying the different kinds of table. So there are various kinds of tables. So let's see how they are divided and what is the meaning of each one of them. First, we have tables according to purpose. So under that we have general purpose table and specific purpose table. So first, what is a general purpose table? General purpose table is that table which is used for general use. It does not serve any specific purpose or specific problem under consideration. So any table which is formed for a general use and not for a specific use is known as general purpose table. Second, we have special purpose table. So as the name says, it is a table which is used for some special purpose. So what's the meaning? Special purpose table is that table which is prepared with some specific purpose in mind. Generally, these are small tables limited to the problem under consideration. These tables are also known as summary tables. So under the tables according to purpose, we have two types, general purpose table and special purpose table. Next, second, we have tables according to originality. So under this again we have original table and derived table. So what is original table? A table which is formed according to which the data has been collected. तो जैसे ही हमने डेटा कलेक्ट किया उसको हम एक टैबुलर फॉर्म में करेंगे तो वो ओरिजिनल टेबल है. उसका डेटा हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे या उसमें कुछ भी वेरिएशन नहीं लाएंगे. So an original table is that in which data are presented in the same form and manner in which they are collected. Next we have derived table. तो इसमें हम जैसे डेटा कलेक्ट करेंगे तो उसको हम या तो पहले रेशियोज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे या परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करेंगे और फिर हम उसको टेबल में प्रेजेंट करेंगे. इसको हम ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो अ डिराइव्ड टेबल इज दैट इन विच data are not presented in the form or manner in which these data are collected. Instead, the data are first converted into ratios or percentages and then they are presented. Last, we have tables according to construction. Under that, we have simple on one-way table. So, a simple table is that in which it shows only one characteristics of data. तो अगर आपको दिया है marks and number of students, तो दैट बिकम्स योर सिंपल टेबल. इसमें और कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स या वेरिएबल्स नहीं दिए गए हैं. नेक्स्ट वी हैव कॉम्प्लेक्स टेबल. कॉम्प्लेक्स टेबल वो है जिसमें मोर देन वन डेटा अवेलेबल है. से फॉर एग्जांपल दे हैव टोल्ड अस मार्क्स, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स एंड अगेन नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स दे हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू मेल एंड फीमेल. तो ऐसे टाइप की टेबल में क्या हुआ, इसमें हमारे पास एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक से ज्यादा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. वी हैव मेल, वी हैव फीमेल, वी हैव मार्क्स. सो दिस इज नोन एज कॉम्प्लेक्स टेबल. कॉम्प्लेक्स टेबल इज फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री टाइप्स, दैट इज डबल और टू वे टेबल. सो अ टेबल विच हैज टू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स इज डबल टेबल. ट्रिपल टेबल इज अ टेबल विच हैज थ्री कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे गिव अस marks of class 11th, they have divided into male and female, and again they further divide into rural and urban. तो इसमें क्या हुआ, तीन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आई. सो इट इज ट्रिपल टेबल. एंड नेक्स्ट वी हैव मैनिफोल्ड टेबल which is having more than three characteristics. Again we will divide this rural into married, unmarried, even urban as married and unmarried. So table according to construction, mainly there are two types, simple or one way table and complex table. Complex table is again divided into double or two way table having two characteristics, treble table three characteristics, manifold table more than three characteristics. Next we have classification of data and tabular presentation. So in the previous chapter we had studied classification of data according to different forms. So even in this particular chapter there is classification of data and tabular presentation. So there are four types. It is qualitative classification and tabular presentation. So on the basis of qualities, when the data is classified, it is qualitative classification. Next we have quantitative classification and tabular presentation. When data is classified according to numbers or quantitative data, it is quantitative classification. Then we have temporal classification and tabular presentation. When data are classified according to time, and time will become the classifying variable. Say for example, अगर आपको sales दी गई है different years में 2013, 14, 15, 16, that becomes a temporal classification. And last we have is spatial classification, when the data is according to the place, location, etc. Say for example, they have given you data according to different countries, according to different states, according to different cities. It becomes spatial classification. Next, what are the merits of tabular presentation? First, it is simple and brief presentation. So tabular presentation is very simple form of presenting the data. Data can be easily understood when there is a large volume of data available. तो अगर मैं आपको मार्क्स देती हूँ आपकी क्लास में, how do I arrange it? I divide it into 2 columns, that is your name and your marks. So what happens in this case? It is very easy for you all to find your names and your marks. And वही अगर मैं scattered form में आपको दूंगी तो it becomes very difficult. So tabular presentation is very simple and brief presentation. Next, it is facilitates comparison. So in case of tabular presentation, the comparison becomes very easy. अगर हमको 2 सिटी के बीच में कंपैरिजन करना है या 2 साल के सेल्स में कंपेयर करना है, सो टेबल्स आर वेरी इजी फॉर कंपैरिजन. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इजी एनालिसिस. इट इज वेरी इजी टू एनालाइज द डेटा फ्रॉम टेबल्स. व्हाई इज इट सो? बिकॉज द टेबल्स आर वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड इट इज वेरी इजी टू फाइंड आउट सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी, डिस्पर्शन एंड कोरिलेशन. जैसे जैसे हम आगे बढ़ेंगे अपने स्टैटिस्टिक्स में, तब आपको ये सब के मीनिंग्स पता चलेंगे. तो अभी के लिए आप सिर्फ ये याद रखो कि एनालाइजेशन ऑफ डेटा इज वेरी इजी इन टैबुलेशन. नेक्स्ट, इट इज हाईलाइट्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डेटा. सो टैबुलेशन हाईलाइट्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ डेटा, सो इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी टू रिमेंबर द statistical facts. Last one is economical. So tabular data is very economical mode of data presentation. It will save lot of time of the people. So this is the theory part under this chapter. Tomorrow onwards we will be starting the problems. So that's all for today. Thank you.